In this video, I will help you find the best Ninja blender in 2024. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Ninja Foodie Cold and Hot Blender. The Ninja Foodie Cold and Hot Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance that brings the power of both cold and hot blending to your fingertips. With this blender, you can easily make smoothies, soups, and sauces, and much more. The sleek design and powerful motor make it a must-have for any home cook. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodie Cold and Hot Blender is its ability to blend both cold and hot ingredients. Whether you want to make a refreshing smoothie or a piping hot soup, this blender has got you covered. The powerful blades and heating element work together to create smooth and creamy blends every time. Another great feature of this blender is its large capacity with a 64-ounce pitcher. You can easily make large batches of your favorite recipes. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or meal prepping for the week, this blender can handle it all. Cleaning the Ninja Foodie Cold and Hot Blender is a breeze. The pitcher, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, the blender is designed with a self-cleaning feature, so all you have to do is add soap and water and let it run for a quick and easy clean. Number 4. Ninja Foodie Power Pitcher System. I absolutely love the Ninja Foodie Power Pitcher System for its versatility, power, and convenience in the kitchen. This blender is a game changer when it comes to wiping up delicious recipes. With its powerful motor and sharp blades, it can effortlessly blend even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender can handle it all. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodie Power Pitcher System is its versatility. Not only does it blend, but it also functions as a food processor. With its additional blades and accessories, you can easily chop, slice, and shred ingredients for your favorite recipes. It's like having two appliances in one. The power of the Ninja Foodie Power Pitcher System is impressive. You can crush ice into snow-like consistency, making it perfect for refreshing frozen drinks. The blender can also handle large batches of ice cubes, so you can make enough for a party or gathering. Its ability to pulverize ingredients ensures smooth and creamy results every time. Convenience is key in the kitchen, and the Ninja Foodie Power Pitcher System delivers. It comes with a portable jar, so you can take your creations on the go. The blender is also dishwasher safe, making cleaning up a breeze. No more worrying about scrubbing off stubborn residue. Number 3. Ninja Professional Blender 1000. When it comes to blending power and performance, the Ninja Professional Blender 1000 is a force to be reckoned with. With its 1000-watt motor, this blender can easily blend through tough ingredients, making it perfect for creating smoothies, sauces, and even crushing ice. The sleek design of the blender includes a large pitcher with a pour spout, allowing for easy pouring and serving. The pitcher is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. One of the standout features of the Ninja Professional Blender 1000 is its total crushing technology. This technology ensures that all ingredients are thoroughly blended, resulting in smooth and consistent textures. Whether you're making a nutrition-packed smoothie or a creamy soup, this blender can handle it all. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 also comes with a convenient pulse function, which allows you to easily control the consistency of your blend. This is especially useful when creating chunkier recipes or when you need precise control over the blending process. In addition to its blending capabilities, the Ninja Professional Blender 1000 also comes with a handy recipe book, providing inspiration for a variety of delicious creations. From refreshing beverages to decadent desserts, this blender has you covered. Number 2. Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo. Combining power and convenience, the Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo is a versatile and compact blender that packs a punch in a small package. This personal blender is perfect for those who want to whip up their favorite smoothies, shakes, and sauces with ease. With a powerful 1200-watt motor, it can easily blend through tough ingredients like frozen fruits and ice. The Nutri Duo also comes with a 24-ounce Power Nutri cup and a 14-ounce Power Nutri bowl, allowing you to make single servings or larger batches, depending on your needs. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo is its Auto IQ technology. This innovative feature takes the guesswork out of blending by automatically pulsing and pausing to create the perfect consistency every time. The Nutri Duo also offers 4 preset programs for smoothies, extract, mix, and fusion, making it easy to achieve the desired results with just a touch of a button. In addition to its blending capabilities, the Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo also functions as a food processor. It comes with a chopping blade and a dough blade, allowing you to chop, mix, and knead your ingredients effortlessly. Whether you're making salsa, dough, or even nut butter, this blender has got you covered. Cleaning the Nutri Duo is a breeze as well. The blades, cups, and lids are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The compact size of the blender also means it won't take up too much space on your countertop, making it a great option for smaller kitchens. Number 1. Ninja Foodie Power Mixer System. The Ninja Foodie Power Mixer system takes blending and food processing to a whole new level with its powerful motor and versatile attachments. This system is a game changer in the kitchen, offering convenience and efficiency in one package. With its robust motor, it can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. From blending smoothies to crushing ice, this blender can do it all. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodie Power Mixer system is its attachments. It comes with a food processing bowl, which allows you to chop, dice, and slice ingredients with precision. While you're making salsa or kneading dough, this system has got you covered. It also includes a personal jar for on-the-go convenience, perfect for making single-serve smoothies or protein shakes. When it comes to performance, the Ninja Foodie Power Mixer system delivers exceptional results. Its powerful motor ensures smooth and consistent blending, while its sharp blades guarantee thorough and even processing. Whether you're making a silky soup or a chunky salsa, this blender can handle it all with ease. Not only does the Ninja Foodie Power Mixer system excel in performance, but it's also easy to use and clean. Its intuitive controls make blending and processing a breeze, and its dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a snap. With this system, you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your creations. And with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. With that being said, peace out.